Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Toyota C-HR, a stylish and sporty subcompact SUV that's sure to turn heads. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior design, which is definitely the C-HR's most striking feature. It has a bold and aggressive look with sharp angles, a sloping roof line, and a two-tone paint option. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that the C-HR stands out from the crowd. Interior design and technology. Inside, the C-HR is surprisingly spacious for its size. The cabin is well designed and uses high-quality materials. The infotainment system is easy to use and comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Performance and handling. The C-HR comes in two engine options, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and a hybrid powertrain. The four-cylinder is a bit sluggish, but the hybrid is more fuel-efficient and offers peppier acceleration. The C-HR handles well for a subcompact SUV, and it's comfortable on both city streets and highways. Safety features. The C-HR comes standard with a suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features give you peace of mind on the road. Overall impressions. The Toyota C-HR is a stylish and sporty subcompact SUV that offers a lot of the value for the money. It's not the most powerful or fuel-efficient option in its class, but it makes up for it with its head-turning looks, comfortable interior, and long list of standard features. If you're looking for a subcompact SUV that stands out from the crowd, the C-HR is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.